In the GCC, large warehouses, factories, and workshops are extremely hard to cool. Wrong sizing or design of conventional AC raises costs and still fails to cool. ClimaOptima finds your real cooling need. Compare options, improvements, and alternative options. Start by entering basic details: facility type, size, height, and operating hours. The tool estimates your cooling requirement using your space inputs and conditions. ClimaOptima analyzes your facility and recommends the most effective cooling solution. It shows capital cost, operating cost, payback, ROI, and 10-year potential savings. You receive a clear report on which cooling strategy may work better for your facility. Use ClimaOptima to compare options before investing in your next cooling system.